Hello students, how are you? I think you all are fine at home. Today I am going to deliver lesson from class 7 in English. Last class we studied with Samda, SG1. Let us discuss some comparison questions about it. First question. What is this paragraph about? ये paragraph क्यों विषय लिखा है? पहले देखिए, this paragraph is about Birsa Munda. Okay. Question number 2. Where was Birsa born and when? Birsa केउंठी जन्म ग्रहण करते? Birsa Munda was born in a poor family in Bihar, now in Jharkhand. When? In 1875. Question number 3. Who was his father? ता बापा किए? सुगन मुंडा was his father. सुगन मुंडा होच तांका बापा. What was his father? ता बापा कौन करंती? His father worked as a laborer. तांका बापा जने दिन मजुरिया बा जने श्रमिक हिसाब से काम करंती. Question number 5. Where did Birsa begin his study? बिरसा क्योंठार तांकर पाठपढ़ा आरंभ कले? आंसर. बिरसा began his study in a school at काटांगा. काटांगार गोटे स्कूल तांकर पाठपढ़ा से आरंभ कले. Did he continue his study? तांकर पाठपढ़ा से चालू रखि पारले कि? No, why? No. He could not continue his study because of his poverty. तांका दारिद्र्य जोगु से तांकर पाठपढ़ा चालू रखि पारले नाही. What work did Birsa do at young age? युवक अवस्था से क्यों काम कले? From the young age he worked as a cowboy of a landlord. जने गाई जोगुआली हिसाब रे जने जमीदार पाखरे काम कले. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. डिड बिरसा लाइक द वर्क? नो, बिरसा डिड नॉट लाइक द वर्क. बिरसा काम रे भल पाउतले कि ना? हु वाज हिज मास्टर? तार मुनि के थिले? हिज मास्टर वाज ए लैंडलॉर्ड. Was he a good man? भल लोग थे कि? No, he was not a good man. How do you know? कि जानो जे भल लोग नथले बोली? Yes. One day the landlord saw Birsa reading a book, leaving the cows to graze on paddy field. So he got angry and removed Birsa from his job. So I think he's not a good man. Okay. Question number 10. Why did the master get angry with Birsa? कहीं मुनिवर बिरसा पर रागिले. The master got angry with Birsa because he saw Birsa reading a book, leaving the cows to graze on paddy field. कारण से देखिले बिरसा गोरुगुड़ी को शस्य धान क्षेत्र चलुवा समय निजे पढ़ुले. ओके. व्हाई डिड बिरसा लूज हिज जॉब? बिरसा तार काम कहीं हरैले? सेम आंसर. वन डे द लैंडलॉर्ड सॉ बिरसा रीडिंग बुक, लीविंग द काउज टू ग्रेज ऑन पैडी फील्ड. सो ही गॉट एंग्री एंड रिमूव्ड बिरसा फ्रॉम हिज जॉब. Next question. Who does he in the last line refer to? शेष लाइन ले जो हिट लिखा है से कहा बुझाऊँ? He refers to the landlord. Okay. Do you think Birsa will request the landlord to continue his job? No, I do not think that Birsa will request the landlord to continue his job. Then what happened? Let us read the next para or next part and see. Okay. Students, open your book, page number 58, SGP2. From very young age, Birsa was against superstition. Once his left leg was wounded while cutting wood. He went to a village quack. The quack said that the wound was caused by an evil spirit. Birsa would have to sacrifice a goat to cure himself of his wound. Birsa did not do this. Instead, he told people not to believe in superstitions. His fight against superstitions turned into a movement. He fought against cruel moneylenders and policemen. The number of Birsa's followers increased day by day. They fought against superstitions, cruel moneylenders, landlords, and policemen. Considering him as a threat, the British government joined hands with the moneylenders and landlords. Small battles were fought between the government and followers of Birsa. In one battle at Khunti, the British police force was defeated. पिलामाने SGP2 को माने पढ़िबो कम्प्रेशन क्वेश्चन देछि केते गुडी शब्दर अर्थ मु देछि ताको शिखिबो परवर्ती पीरियड रे हम से गुडी को आलोचना करिबा एवं कम्प्रेशन को आलोचना करिबा प्रयास करथिबो थैंक यू विल सी यू नेक्स्ट क्लास